In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to download and install NVIDIA control panel on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. First of all, click on Windows Start menu, then search here Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store search bar, type NVIDIA control panel. Then press enter. In the left side here as you see NVIDIA control panel application, just click on that. Now to download and install NVIDIA on your Windows computer, just click on install. Wait few moments to download and install NVIDIA on your computer. Once installed done, click on open. Click on agree and continue. Here as you see NVIDIA control panel. You can also open NVIDIA control panel. I will just close this window. Another way to open NVIDIA control panel, just click on Windows Start menu. Now search here NVIDIA control panel. Here as you see NVIDIA control panel. To open it, just click on this application. Now you can customize your display setting and other setting from your NVIDIA control panel. And that's it. That's how you can install NVIDIA control panel on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.